I'm going to show you a Postman trick that can ease the transition from using Postman for API testing to using a specific programming language to do your API test. So let's say you have a post request like this, and you got it working in Postman, so you send, you have the status correctly, the information that comes back is correctly. How much time would you say it will take you to take that code or to take that Postman request and turn it into code? Would you say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 50 minutes, a day, a week, a month? What if I told you it will take you a minute? And in order to achieve this, you don't need to install anything. So you just need to have Postman and scroll or navigate a little bit to the right of the screen. And here it says code. And per default, it does an example for curl, curl, curl. And if you copy this and execute it, then it will have the same result as right here. But if you do not like curl and you like Java, then this is an example or a transition of this request to the Java code. Or you want JavaScript fetch. So it's the same right here, or maybe you like Python. So requests, it even gives you the import. So import requests, import JSON to be able to have the payload handled correctly. And it actually updates. So if I would go here and say something like tests, and let's just add status code 200, okay, and we do send, and it stays status code 200, and we go to code right now, we still have the correct values. Give it a try. Try and tell me in the comments, did it take you more than a minute? Were you able to have to speed up your testing process with this trick? It's really helpful, and I recommend to do firstly your tests in Postman and then perform this code transition, at least as long or for the time that you're not comfortable with writing everything in a specific programming language. As always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye bye.